When was the last time you did something which was just for you? Not for the Instagram, not for other people's opinions, their approvals, just because a little voice inside said, please, please do it for me. Today I'm drawing a cat. I know I'm not good at it. I know that. But I've always wanted to create. I want to make art. Like, it could be anything. Even if it's bad, I want to do it. My inner child absolutely loves it. She loves cats. She loves to draw. That's why I thought, why not to start with this? And she's been waiting a long time for me to listen to her. Think about this. How many times a day do you calculate whether something is worth your time? Is this productive? Does this make any sense? Will this look good? I don't think these all questions make any sense to me right now when I'm drawing this. Because what about her? The kid who went through everything, who did it all, so that you could be confident enough to walk into that internship, sit through those exams, show up. She did that, and in her free time, you give her doom scrolling. I spend my free time doing things for my family, for my friends, for strangers, even for the feed. But my inner child, she gets whatever is left. And most days nothing is left. Nothing. So today I gave her 30 minutes. It's not about completing it, like making up a goal, seeking for perfection. There was nothing like that. I just sat alone to just draw, and I used colors, whatever I felt like it is right. I just used Pinterest, got an inspiration, and started drawing anyways. And you know what? When I finished, I was dancing, literally dancing, genuinely around my room. Not because the drawing was good, just because I felt so full. Like, I cannot explain into the words. I video called my mom, I showed it to my friends, and I was like, look, here's what I made. And that feeling of sharing something you did purely for yourself with zero pressure behind it, that is not a small thing. I'm telling you, that is everything. You do not need to be good at it. You do not need to even post it. If you want to, you can, like I'm doing it. And you do not need a reason that makes sense to anyone else. You just need 30 minutes every day to do the thing that your inner child has been quietly, patiently asking for. Like, it could be dancing, drawing, it could be making a random recipe, the song you sing to no one. She's not asking for much. She just wants to know you have not forgotten her. I have not, and I really hope you don't either.